Welcome to Ganitika.com. This is a website for mathematics lovers, learners, and leaders. The link to this website is given in the description below, and enjoy mathematics by registering in this website. Today, we are going to see how to find the determinants of a 2 by 2 and a 3 by 3 matrix. First of all, let's consider these two examples. Both of these are 2 by 2 determinants. Let's find the value of the first determinant 2, 3, 4, 5. For finding the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, you should start from the top left corner number, which is 2 here, and then go downwards along the diagonal like this and consider the next number, which is 5. Multiply these two numbers, 2 and 5, then subtract. Now go on the next diagonal, which is 4 and 3 here. Multiply these two numbers and just subtract these two, simplify, and this is the value of the determinant 2, 3, 4, 5. As simple as that, right? Now try to do the next determinant 3 minus 1, 4, 2. Where should you start? You should start with the 3 on the top left corner. Multiply by the diagonally opposite element, which is 2 here. So 3 times 2, and then subtract. The next two numbers are 4 and minus 1 in the other diagonal. Therefore subtract 4 times minus 1. Be careful with the negative signs here. So the numbers are 4 and minus 1. Subtracting 4 times minus 1, you will get plus 4, which will give you 10. Therefore, the value of this determinant is 10. And so let's see if you can do these three questions. Pause the video here. Are you ready? I'm going to give you the answers now. So start with 2. 2 times minus 1 minus 6 times minus 3 will give you 16. So the value of this determinant 2 minus 3, 6 minus 1 is 16. Now start with minus 4. Multiply with 0 minus negative 1 times 2, therefore the answer is going to be 2. Use the brackets efficiently so that you will not make any mistakes in the minus signs and plus signs. So in this case, you can see 9 times minus 1 minus 3 times minus 3 gives you minus 9 plus 9, which gives you 0. Therefore, you can notice that the value of determinant could be any real number. It could be a 0 or negative or positive or any fractions or decimals or even square root numbers. So value of a determinant could be any real number. Let's move on to a 3 by 3 determinant. In this case, we have 3, 2, 5, negative 1, 4, 1, 7 minus 2 minus 3. And in order to find the determinant of this, we will start with the first row. Actually, we can use any rows or any columns, but for simplicity's sake, we will start with the first row. And the first number in the first row is this one, 3. Now 3 should be multiplied with what? In this case, we have to remove the numbers in the column and the row that the 3 is present in, and use the remaining 4 numbers, make them into a determinant and multiply with this 3. And this determinant should be in the same order of the numbers that is given in the question. Now subtract. Go to the next number in the first row, which is 2 here. So 2 should be multiplied with what? Go back to the determinant, remove the numbers in the column and the row that the 2 is present. You can see you have 4 more numbers. Make a determinant with these 4 numbers in the same order as given in the question. Next is add the third number in the first row, which is 5 here, and 5 should be multiplied with the numbers in the same way, which is you need to remove the column and the row that 5 is in, and the remaining 4 numbers should be used as a determinant in the same order as given in the question. And you know how to find the determinants of these 3 determinants because they are 2 by 2 determinants, and we just saw how to find the determinants of a 2 by 2 matrix. Now you expanding the determinants and simplifying further, you will get the value of this determinant to be equal to minus 152. Let's see one more example. So in this case, you have the first row as minus 2, 5 and 3. So start with minus 2, multiply with the determinant which is got by removing the first row and the first column, which is 0, 4, 7 minus 3. Next move on to 5, but before moving on to 5, you have to subtract. So the next operation is subtract. 5 times the remaining numbers after removing the row and column of 5 is minus 1, 4, 3 minus 3. So make it as a determinant. Next is add. So you have to start with the left corner number, then subtract the next number and then add the third number, multiplying by the determinant after removing the row and column of 3. So minus 1, 0, 3, 7 will be the determinant to be multiplied with 3. Expanding the determinants and simplifying further, you will get the value of the determinant to be equal to 80. You can try this out now on your paper before moving on to the next example. Now the example here is 2 minus 3, 4, 1, 5, 0, 8, 3 minus 2. So start with the first row. 2 times the determinant will be 5, 0, 3, negative 2. Subtract. The second number in the first row is negative 3. Therefore be careful. Subtract negative 3 times the determinant got by removing the row and column of minus 3. You get 108 minus 2. Then it is add. The third number in the first row is 4. If it was negative number, you have to add the negative number, which becomes subtraction. Therefore be careful. The first is as it is from the determinant, then it is subtract, then it is addition. Plus 4 times the determinant is 1583. Simplifying this further, you can see that the value of the determinant is negative 174. I hope you understood how to find the determinants of 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 matrices. Meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.